Okay, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe real quick. All right, I have big plans today and I'm really nervous because this is the first big thing I've done in the car. Hold on, let's get out of here. I don't think I can take the keys out one-handed. All right, it's fine, we got this. We are at AutoZone right now and we're gonna change out the spark plugs and the wires. Okay, we're gonna pick up, I have to get anti-seize for the threads of the actual spark plugs. I'm also gonna pick up the spark plug spacer. That's hard to say that 3 times fast. Okay, let's go in. It's really crowded today, but I'm gonna do it. There's the green Mustang that I love. Maybe he'll sell it to me. It's gotta paint it white though. Just kidding. That's it.
Cash card?
Card. So I didn't even know that we needed one of these. It's a boot protector, I guess, for the other side of the spark plug. I didn't know that. So we got that. Got the anti-seize lubricant. And this cool spacer. And a loud truck. What's up? I have a loud truck too. That was it. Cool story. All right, let's go home and get this started. So I'm actually really glad that this thing started today because I still have the parasitic draw. You guys know about that. I was worried that it wouldn't start, but thank goodness it did. This thing is so loud. Oh my gosh, this car is so fun to drive. Hey, there's a red Mustang. I am really nervous about this because I'm a pro at oil changes. They're a little bit dirty. Pro at oil changes. Oh my gosh, there's more. There's more oil. What I hit? Oh, it's windy. It's windy. Man, pro at changing the battery. I can change the IAC valve, but I have never done spark plugs. So please be kind when I'm doing this because it's my first time ever. Never done it before. I've only watched videos. Nice to me. So I just got home from AutoZone and I realized that I have not checked the oil on this since doing the oil change. I did on camera when it was still on the driveway, but a lot of you said to do it after I've been driving the car. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. A lot of people are saying you have to have 5 quarts and other people are like, no, you have to have 6. And some of it goes into the oil filter. If you know for sure the answer to that, how much oil this car takes, please comment below and let me know. I guess at the end of the day it might depend on, every car might be different, but still let me know what you guys think. Okay, I can't really see it. Can't really tell. I think we might be good. We might even be a little bit high. Okay, well I guess this car takes 5, so we are good. So my plan today is I'm going to change out the actual spark plugs today. And then for my next video, I will change out the wires. Now, just to confirm with you guys, tell me in the comments if I am right with this. The spark plugs are numbered like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As far as the spark plug wires go, is that correct? I think so. That's what I'm gonna go with. But let me know if I'm wrong. Let's get started, and first I'm gonna disconnect the negative on the battery. I think I'm tightening it. Whoops. Oh, lefty-loosey, righty-tighty works until it doesn't. There we go. This one's righty-tighty, because the other one's lefty-loosey. Step 1, done. We're moving. On the videos I saw to take the air intake out to get to the spark plugs easier. I'm gonna try to do it without it. We'll see if I need to do it. We'll see. Hopefully not. Crossing my fingers. But it's going to be tricky. Oh, they have numbers on the wires. It is. Okay, they have the numbers 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let me show you real quick. All right, so right there it says 1, 2, 3, and 4. So I'm assuming that side is 5, 6, 7, 8. But they probably have numbers on it, which is convenient. Okay, all right, let's start with spark plug number 1. So here are the spark plugs. In my last video, I was like, the spark plug's right here. And I pointed to the wrong thing in there. Just Don't go back and watch that one. I think that those are actually the spark plugs in there, but I need to look it up. I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna put my hair up because you guys always get mad at me and yell at me when my hair isn't up, so there you go. This is not cute, that's okay. And I didn't really think it through. I was driving my FoxBody to AutoZone. I let it cool off for a little bit, but it's still really hot in here. What I'm doing now is I'm taking off the wire. Holy cow. I thought it'd be like, just pop off easy. No, it's not. Oh, ow, freak, it's hot. All right, I got it though, it's okay. So this goes to 1. That's good to know for later. Oh, I see why it would be easier to use the, get out the air intake now. Oh shoot. There are a ton of wires in my way. All right. This is a lot more difficult. I looked online, ow! It's hot. Oh, you guys, I finally got it, yes. To be honest with you, I've been working on that 5 minutes at least off camera. I wonder how long I have to do this for until I'm done. Slowly but surely. I got it. Woo! Where is it? Look at that. Spark plug. Did you know that's what it looked like? Me either. Just kidding. I kind of knew what it looked like, but I thought it was bigger than that. I'm gonna open up this new one and go ahead and put it in. And we're done with the first one. All right, so that stops at about 40-ish. 40-ish, good enough, right? Stops at about 40-ish, perfect. I guess they're pre-gapped, you just wanna check it. What I saw online was that it should be about 54, but this one, for this car, stopped at 40. So I'm just gonna go with that and hope it's right. Put some of this anti-seize lubricant on. I'm actually just gonna put it in, just hand thread it a couple of times. I've been working on this for like 15 minutes off camera, so it's been forever, and it's not going in, and I'm not sure what the, okay, I'm kind of realizing, look at this, they look like 2 completely different plugs. I wonder if that's why it wasn't, it does, this one looks a little bit bigger, the new one. So 2 different people sent these plugs for this car, and they don't fit, so I'm not sure what to do. And do I need to go find this plug, or will this work and I'm just doing it wrong? I'm not really sure what to do. I'm so frustrated. I just like, I don't know, nothing has come easy with this car. I just don't even know if it's worth it anymore. Like, I'd almost rather get a new Mustang and not have to deal with it, you know? Like, I love the FoxBody. I love this car. I don't want to give up on it, but I am so close because nothing has come easy. All right, do you guys have any thoughts on what the problem is? I think that the new one might be even wider on top. Maybe that's why it's not screwing in at all. Like, I can't even get 1 thread in there. So that would make sense, but like, what do I do from here? I'm not really sure. Is there a narrower spark plug that they have for the same year? And you know, I don't really know. I just tried to put the old one back in and it totally fits. It's totally fine. The old one kind of looks like a cheap off-brand one, so I'm not really sure. Let me know your thoughts on that. I guess for today, since I can't do the spark plugs, I'll go ahead and do the wires and go from there. So, oh my gosh. There's one still in here. The baby one. All right. Hopefully these have numbers on them. You know, that would be just too easy for me because of course it doesn't. You know what? Maybe I can like measure them up to each other and see what one fits. The short ones probably go to the front ones that are closer to that. So I'm gonna do these one at a time so I don't mess it up. I'm gonna do one first, which I already took it off because that's a spark plug that wouldn't fit. Whoop. Since they're not numbered, I went ahead and just measured it up. It matches-ish. It doesn't have to be perfect, but it's pretty close. That's easy. Boom. That was so easy. Oh, there we go. Ish, right? Ish is good. So when I put it on, it kind of clicks on. If someone's watching this for an instructional video, I am so sorry. click off this right now, ow, and go somewhere else. Case in point, I'm not wearing my gloves again. Someone is watching this for comedy, however. Oh, gosh. Sorry, it's really hot. Anyways, if you're watching this for comedy, I got you. You stay right here. 3 and 4, and we'll move to the next side. Maybe, I don't know if I have these in me. I'm so done today. It is so hot out here. All right, last one for this side. Hallelujah. Getting a little tired here. If you guys remember, this side is the side that was sparking and like it freaked me out. I swear my car was gonna catch on fire. It was insane. But a lot of you told me this should not be zip tied. This is not my fault, don't blame me. I'm gonna unhook these right now from the zip tie. Can you guys tell me what this one is? Because I don't have an extra wire for it that looks like this. Look how corroded that is right there. That is not good. There we go. Did you hear the pop? It pops, so you know. That one's not as bad as the last one, but I definitely need to replace that, and I have one. I'm all done with the spark plug wires. I have one more question. I think, maybe a couple more, I don't know. This here, this is the old plug, and see how it has that thing right there? I'm not sure what it is. I don't know the technical terms. It has that thing. Well, I have that cord as well with that thing, but it's not long enough. So what do? I have an extra cord that's just one of the spark plug cords. I don't know if that's okay to put on or not. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put on the old one just in case. I don't wanna mess up the car just because I wanted to put a new one on. And I will look it up, but if you guys know right off the bat what you guys, just drop me a comment, let me know what you think. Can I put this on that weird spot here, or do I need to go find a longer cord of these? One of you guys was nice enough to send this to me, the same guy who sent the spark plugs and the wires. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the new one right now, and then we will be done for today. Hallelujah. Okay, this might be kind of difficult actually, just getting all the wires on. I got it though. And I know the wires can't touch, so I'm gonna put a wire spacer on here in just a minute. Ew, okay. Look at that. Delicious. Ugh. I'll take a lap. Go ahead and start the car. Hopefully it fires up. My hands are disgusting. Yes, I forgot the gloves. They're just not very cute. I think if they were pink, I'd keep them on. I'm just saying. You guys, I'm so glad that worked. Hallelujah. That wasn't for nothing. Which I kind of was nervous about. But to be honest, I'm a little depressed right now about the spark plugs. I'm not really sure what to do. Hopefully I can find them online. Do you think I should do that? Or is something wrong with the engine, or I don't know. Is something modified or something wrong with what was put in? I'm not sure. So let me know in your comments. Thank you guys so much for being here and all the advice you've given me. You are amazing, and we will see you guys next time. Bye.